They might argue over the exact causes, but no one doubts the Arctic sea ice is retreating, as here over Greenland. Climate change may be worrying, but it's also bringing new business opportunities to the high north, which the states neighbouring the Arctic want to tap if they can minimise the risks. For example, today's Economist Arctic Summit in London heard that in the past year 55 ships have taken the new northern route from Asia to Europe. It cuts the previous journey time via the Suez Canal by at least 10 days, led every step of the way by specialist icebreakers.
You could think that the diminishing of ice would give a lesser need for the icebreaker services, but it's vice versa. The areas which were inoperable a couple of years ago are now operatable with the help of the icebreaker services. So we're expecting a good growth opportunity for the business.
But it's what lies beneath that's attracting investors.
Now, few doubt that the natural resources of the Arctic are vast. According to the US Geological Survey, the Arctic accounts for 13% of the world's undiscovered oil, 30% of the undiscovered natural gas, and 20% of the undiscovered natural gas liquids in the world.
We need to go where it's commercial viable, and we need also to develop technology. We don't want to go faster than technology allows us. So that is the main reason we are focusing on the workable today, and then we will build on these experiences to going deeper.
There are big investments required in order to...
But as the summit heard, the Arctic states are imposing stricter rules on resource companies.
If you look at the Icelandic economy, that we build mostly on fisheries and industrial export, of course, also, we cannot afford any disasters in North Sea of Iceland when it comes to oil and gas.
But those resource companies are keen to go deeper, and it remains the case that many of those with an interest in the region have very different views on what counts as sustainable development. Nigel Cassidy, BBC News.